Hello friends, welcome back to English is Easy. In today's lesson, we are going to learn about adverbs, what they are, how to use them, and some useful examples. By the end of this video, you'll be able to use adverbs confidently in your daily English speaking and writing. What is an adverb? An adverb is a word that describes or gives more information about a verb, an action, an adjective, or another adverb. In short, adverbs tell us how, when, where, and to what extent something happens. Examples. 1. She runs quickly. Quickly tells us how she runs. 2. He arrived yesterday. Yesterday tells us when he arrived. 3. The cat is sitting outside. Outside tells us where the cat is. 4. She is very beautiful. Very describes the adjective beautiful. Types of adverbs. 1. Adverbs of manner. Tell us how something happens. Examples. Quickly, slowly, carefully, badly. Sentence. She speaks politely. 2. Adverbs of time. Tell us when something happens. Examples. Today, tomorrow, soon, yesterday. Sentence. I will call you tomorrow. 3. Adverbs of place. Tell us where something happens. Examples. Here, there, everywhere. Outside sentence. Please sit here. 4. Adverbs of frequency. Tell us how often something happens. Examples. Always, often, sometimes. Never sentence. He always wakes up early. 5. Adverbs of degree. Tell us to what extent. Examples. Very, quite, almost. 2 sentence. This room is too small. How to use adverbs in a sentence. 1. Adverbs usually come after the verb she sings beautifully. 2. Sometimes adverbs come before adjectives. He is very tall. 3. Adverbs can also modify other adverbs. She runs very quickly. But remember, don't use 2 adverbs unnecessarily. For example, don't say, she runs very quickly, fast. Common mistakes with adverbs. 1. She speaks very good. She speaks very well, because well is the adverb form of good. 2. He did the work careful. He did the work carefully. Conclusion. So friends, today we learned what adverbs are, the different types of adverbs, how to place them in sentences, and some common mistakes to avoid. Practice by making 5 sentences with adverbs in the comments section below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to English is Easy. See you in the next video. Bye.